If you've noticed, your machine tells you which presser foot you should have for each of the different stitches. So to change presser feet, all you need to do is really just push down on both sides and it will be released. There's a little bar that the little part that attaches. All you have to do is set that onto, usually just by lowering your presser foot and positioning that foot in place, it will click back on. So just push down and release and then lower. Now the only other thing to kind of be aware of is the dual feed. So the dual feed, which you can pull down and release, it will sit up and away from the foot. The feet that you use the dual feed for are the ones with the little gap in the back here. So if you're putting on like your 0A foot or your 1A foot, you need to engage the dual feed. Now if you put a foot on with the dual feed that is not supposed to have a dual feed, boy, things just don't work well at all. For example, foot 2A, which we use a lot with our decorative stitches, does not have that opening. So make sure that the dual feed is not engaged while you're trying to put that on. And it will, number one, it'll be a lot easier to attach, plus you're supposed to use it without the dual feed. So you can easily change feet super fast from just pushing down and then clicking them on, and I love how fast you can change feet on a Pfaff sewing machine.